I looked around heavily for people to train with because I am a perfectionist. I've been doing hair for 15 years. I really wanted someone who was reputable, who I can do one-on-one training with. I can ask 1,000 questions and feel completely confident when I left. I was just looking up her academy and she came in with her brochure. So I felt like it was a sign. I took it and it was one of the best things that I could have done even during this time, was taking a chance on myself, investing in myself, and doing something that would ultimately better my own livelihood. And with the one-on-one training that I had with Destiny, I was really able to feel 100% confident in making that career change. Seeing her business and how she grew it from when she started gave me the confidence in knowing that I can do the same. So about a year later, here I am running and operating my business, probably doing more microblading now than hair, and completely loving it.